In this video lecture, we're going to look at nested switch case in C programming language. Alright, so we've looked at switch cases and we'll understand how that works fine. So I believe that you've gone through that. Let's go ahead and look at nested switch case. Just like the way we have a nested if statement, nested switch cases are just exactly the same. It is all about putting a switch case inside another one. Let's go ahead and look at a simple example of this. I'm going to create some integer variables of x and y. So x equal to 5 and put a semicolon at the end. And y equal to 4 and put a semicolon at the end. Let's go ahead and create the first switch case, and I'm going to set this to a switch. So switch for the x, and let's go ahead and create a case, and this case is going to take the value of x, and that is 5. Okay, and that is the same applicable to y. So the value of x is 5, and once you insert the value of x, you can now go ahead and execute your program right inside here for this case alone. Now, I'll go ahead and let's go ahead and just print out this. I'm going to say this is case x. Alright, so that's just simple. This is case x. Now, right inside this case, I want to be able to nest another case right inside here. So another switch case for the second one, which is for y. How can we be able to nest that? So this one is particularly just a one switch case. Now I don't want to come down here and start writing another case again. I'll go ahead and nest this switch case right inside here. So I'm going to say switch for y. Then auto print executed program under this. Can go ahead and say this is case y. So put a semicolon at the end. But remember that here you added a case right here. Therefore, this will not print out anything unless you come down here and come over here and say the value of case y is 4. So once you put the value of case y to be equal to 4, this can be able to print out this. So now let's check out this. So this closes here and this closes this. So we don't need this last one here. Okay, let's check that out. So as for cases don't go with curly braces. So you should remove this so you don't make a mistake. Go ahead and remove this from here. And also remove this. I didn't want to put that. So if we run this code with that, it's going to give us an error. So this is for this case, for this switch case right here. And this is for this switch case right here. Now let's go ahead and run this code and let's check that out. Run this code and it's going to print out this is case x and this is case y. Alright, I think that's joined together. So go ahead and put escape character right inside here. I don't know why I always forget to put that. So run this code and we're going to print out this. So this is case x and this is case y. So you can be able to see that we are able to execute these two programs and the one case is nested right inside another. So case y is nested right inside case b is case x. So this is how you work with nested switch case, just that most times you don't usually use this. So instead of using switch cases, nested switch cases, you go ahead and start using nested if statements. It's more easier for you to work with the nested switch cases. But for the knowledge of that, you have to know that in case you really want to use that in Fission. So, it's all about nested switch case, and go ahead and practice with this. And if you have any question, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.